Cats, a word that, when mentioned, immediately conjures an image of a creature gliding through life with grace, silently captivating everyone around. Cats aren't like other pets, constantly demanding attention. Instead, they possess an enigmatic charm that makes it impossible to take your eyes off them. Have you ever wondered why cats have become the most beloved pets around the world? Or why pictures of cats so easily go viral? Flooding social media and bringing endless likes, shares, and comments. It's because even in today's fast-paced world, cats have managed to keep a piece of their wild essence, filled with mystery and elegance, making them irresistible. And these very qualities are what have turned cats into symbols that are impossible to replace. A cat's beauty is like no other. Its sleek, compact form and piercing eyes captivate with an almost mystical quality. When you look into a cat's eyes, you're not just seeing a reflection of the world, but a creature that seems to peer straight into your soul. There's something about the way cats observe us, as if they know more than we let on. It's this mystique that hooks us, it pulls us in, and we find ourselves wondering, what exactly do they see that we cannot? Every movement a cat makes is like a dance. With every step, they exude a sense of calm and fluidity that is unmatched by any other creature. Cats don't rush. They move with deliberate elegance, making the world pause, even if just for a moment, to admire them. Their paws, soft and silent, leave no trace of their presence, while their sharp claws, though hidden, symbolize their quiet power. They don't need to show their strength, but when they do, it's like a perfect, swift strike, precise, effortless, and entirely awe-inspiring. They can sit by a window for hours watching the world go by, not because they're waiting for something, but because they savor the moment. Cats embody independence and the art of living in the present. They don't seek approval or demand affection. Instead, they offer it in their own quiet, understated way. They don't rush love. They give it only when they feel it's right. And when they do, it's deep, unwavering, and pure. However, cats are far from helpless. They're hunters, born with an instinct that has been honed over centuries. Whether they're chasing a toy or watching a mouse, their focus is razor sharp. Even though most house cats never have to hunt for food, their hunting instincts are always present. Every leap, every swift strike is a reminder of their innate ability to survive, to thrive, and to succeed in silence. That's why, even in the modern world, cats remain a symbol of independence, precision, and quiet power. But perhaps the most remarkable thing about cats is how they make us feel. There's something therapeutic about being around a cat. Their purring, soft and rhythmic, creates an atmosphere of calm that washes over you. It's almost as if they have the power to absorb your stress and turn it into tranquility. Cats don't just bring joy with their antics. They bring a deep sense of peace, reminding us to slow down, to breathe, and to enjoy the present moment. In a world that constantly moves, cats teach us the art of stillness. They are a living paradox, simultaneously aloof and affectionate, independent and loyal, fierce yet gentle. They are the embodiment of patience and strength, wrapped up in a small furry package. When a cat enters your life, it's not just a pet. It's an invitation to understand the quiet power of living on your own terms. In conclusion, Cats are more than just pets. They are symbols of resilience. Their beauty isn't just in their physical form, but in the way they carry themselves, in the way they navigate the world around them with calm, purpose, and elegance. They are creatures of mystery, whose very presence teaches us to appreciate the quiet moments, to embrace stillness, and to understand that sometimes the most powerful thing we can do is simply be present. Cats don't need to prove themselves. They simply exist. And in their existence, they inspire us to be better, more patient, and more attuned to the world around us. In conclusion, cats are not just pets. They are living symbols of independence, grace, and quiet power. Their elegance, their mysterious nature, and their ability to make us feel at ease in this chaotic world is a gift. Cats teach us to appreciate the small, peaceful moments and to embrace the stillness that surrounds us. They don't need to demand attention, yet their presence is enough to capture our hearts and remind us of the beauty of being present. So next time you see a cat, take a moment to appreciate the quiet strength they embody. If you've enjoyed learning about these incredible creatures and want more captivating stories about the fascinating world of animals, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and support the channel. Your support means the world to us. Stay curious and keep exploring.